questions, but it's not too related to.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, any questions? Let's do before Yom Kippur. Yeah, go ahead.
These are a little more practical. So, someone in the process of conversion, is he supposed to avoid reciting the Jewish identity prayer on Birchos Hashachar?
Yes,
Shelo
that's
Asani Goy?
yes, yeah. That's the only difference. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But
And yeah, thank you.
no, that's it. Go ahead, please. Go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.